Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So this is the Nasdaq weekly chart. So what is next for next week? Just to be short and quick about it, we just want to see this go lower, and then these are TGIF levels: 20% TGIF, 30% TGIF, and 40% TGIF. These are TGIF levels. Which one are we gonna get? Are we gonna get 20% TGIF? Are we gonna get 30% TGIF? Can we get 40% TGIF? I'm not expecting 40% TGIF because of the current weakness. I can expect this level and this level. Only these two levels I can expect in terms of TGIF. So here we're gonna anticipate that this thing can go lower from this level here, right here, go lower, right? Anticipate to go lower, then it's gonna come in here because this fair value gap here needs a sell side. It's only buy side, and there's also a volume imbalance there. So we need a solid body to come in here and remain in this box, a solid body, right? A solid body to come in here. So this fair value gap needs a body. Let me just write that down. Actually, no, I'm not writing it down. Okay, let me do it. Needs a body. Needs a body. So it needs a body, right? It needs a body in here in form of sell side. So we're gonna anticipate that, and also below that, this one needs a body. I'm just gonna move it right here because I know that this one needs a body. And then I'm gonna show you where you go. There we go. This is your sell side that you're looking at here on the weekly chart. You can make that blue. No, let's just make that orange. Make it level 2. And right sell side there. Sell side is resting right there. So that's what we're looking for basically. Also, we're gonna mark this level here. There we go. We're gonna mark this level here because it's a very important level. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this 50% of this week, as we come down like this, we're gonna watch on a daily basis when we close below this. We're gonna anticipate this low, and eventually we want to remain in here and close in here on a bearish week. Yes, that's what we wanna see for the Nasdaq. More sell side, more sell side. That's what I see for this one. Let's go on the daily. So on the daily, this is the value cap. I'm just gonna move it here. That needs a body on a weekly basis. It's 1 week. So coming in here on the daily, these are the TGIF levels, 20% TGIF. Let's just put the levels properly as they are. Let's do it. Okay, let's go. There we go. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. These are the TGIF levels. I'm gonna leave them orange like that, and then I'm gonna delete this guy here. There we go. That guy's gone. So now, on a daily basis, I'm looking at this day here, this week, 50% of that week, there we go, is this one here. That one that you're watching here. So we've closed below that here. So basically, even if the candle closed here, you're gonna anticipate this low, and we got it, right? So what now? We're gonna look for 20% TGIF here to happen. 20% TGIF. We're gonna see, can we get 30% TGIF? we're gonna see, and there's also up to 40% TGIF here. There's also up to 40% TGIF. So we're gonna see. For myself, I'm anticipating 20% at least, or 30. I'm not anticipating this one. But if it happens, I'll be watching it, right? I'm not anticipating this level. These two can happen. And mostly this one has high probability, right? Because now that we're below this wick here on a daily basis, to say we're remaining bearish here, we don't want to see a body here above this level. We don't want to see a body here. So it can wick in there. So on that day, it can be here and probably 10 intraday so that this can be a wick and it will go down. But then we can anticipate 20% and 30% TGIF here. That's the levels I am anticipating. These two. Should we have 40% TGIF? I'll still be watching. But in all cases, this is bearish. Don't, for myself, even though I can buy and sell in any market, this one, damn, looks bearish. This is a bearish market now. Woohoo! Yes, I'm saying it now while it's early, so we can anticipate more downside, more downside. This one is that one on the weekly again. The week on the weekly. Once we get here, we close here on below this on a daily basis, we can anticipate sell side here. So basically, I'm anticipating sell side, more sell side here. This one was already used, so I'm going to anticipate at least this level, and then it's going to go down. I'm looking for sell side here. Then this needs a body in here. So on a weekly basis, we're gonna close here in this level on a body. So yeah, that's what I'm anticipating here. More downside on the Nasdaq. Nothing but selling here. Nothing but selling. Nothing but selling here on the Nasdaq. Yes, sir. That's social trades, and that's a value and no cost, right? Yeah. It's social trades, and this is value at no cost. Boom.